Hey up YouTube, Simon B here. Out on my lonesome again. I'm going to have to find some new mates. Straight up, it's quite cold this morning because the air temperature changed on it. Let this be, oh, big step. Bring you back in a minute with something else. See you in a bit.
Like and subscribe.
Hey up YouTubers, welcome back. Drysdale Forest. Drysdale car park's a bit empty, but it is a bit early yet. All these people don't like getting up in the morning. This can be a pain sometimes, especially with that low sun. You can't see. And you get strobing effect on you on the right. Yeah, you can't see a bloody thing. And if you lot can, probably will be able to. Up the big one. Jeez, that sun's low, I'm not used to that up here. That's the easier bit of this that we've just done. Here it gets all of it. You can't get any floor. You can't bloody see either. Bloody rocks each side, and you just can't get a floor that side. That top bit, because all the rocks are all different different sizes, different stuff. It's just, you just don't know. First bit, bub all the way up. That back second bit, you're left and right. Just can't keep it like a steady pace. Yeah, this 500 when it used to cough a lot and stall, I think, well, don't shout too loud, I think I may have sorted it. It's supposed to run about, well, according to the internet, you do a Google search and it says it should be running about, on tick over, about 2,800 RPM. And you can hear it now, it's running a little bit more than what it usually does. And I think because it was only the butterfly valve for the air wasn't slightly open. Now it is. When you go to rev it, it doesn't cough. It doesn't get a load of air through and go and cough like it did. I did it a couple of weeks ago, and since then, touch wood, it hasn't done anything. It hasn't done what it usually does. So that might be a solution. I just wound the tick over screw up. I only did it about an eighth of a turn, just slightly out. Made sure it was alright, and it hasn't done it, which is great, because now I fell off up here, come over a rock, back wheel hit the ground, it coughed, stalled, I nearly went over the bars before I could pull the clutch in and fell off. But I haven't done that yet lately. I've been out a few times, so quick fix for you, top tip. Anyway, look at that, beautiful. Anyway, see you in a bit. Welcome back, you lot. Doing a couple of socials while I was up here. You might Well, yesterday, Saturday, we went and bought a new to me motorcycle. There's these two walkers up. Not far down. Oh, they got in the woods. There's a couple walking down here. Might have gone in the woods for a bit of nookie. I've missed them. Oh no, there they are. Yeah, so at socials yesterday, Saturday, we went out and bought another motorbike. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I've got a well, you probably by the time you see this video, you probably know what it is. God, that low sun's doing my tit ending. You probably know what it is. I run a bit of a competition. Somebody might have guessed it correctly. Yeah, it wants a few things doing to it. It's not insured. I never sorted insurance out yesterday. Yeah, the 790's gone. People ask why you sold that side. Brilliant bike, loved it. Just a bit big. Just a bit big, and I started getting too much confidence in me. Start riding it like one of these, and I don't really want to be stuck underneath it one day with a broken leg or something. So it's gone. No, don't get me wrong, bloody good bike, but just a bit too big and a bit heavy. So yeah, new bike arrived. We haven't insured it, and that's going to have to be it for a bit of while. I think. I don't think I really need out else. Well, the bob was up for sale if anybody wants to buy it, but I'm not really bothered if it goes or it doesn't go really. Now it's moving at the moment, is it? Season's nearly finished, everybody. Half you lot will be putting your bikes away now because it's getting cold. Yeah, only stuff that is selling is the reasonably priced or the proper price motorcycles from China. You know what I mean? GPXs that I ride. There's another batch coming in end of the month, end of get over mate, white line there. Another batch coming in end of September. All, I think, nearly every one of them spoken for. Fords, exc-f motors, everything. If you're not a badge snob, get on it. Yeah. So yeah, new bike. All will be revealed. I think the competition will probably ended by the time you see this video. You probably won't see this video for another month yet. This will be, what we know, end of September. Nearly the end of September, 25th is it? 36th, something like that. Probably won't see this till the middle of October, end of October. So anyway, see you in a bit. Unsuitable for motors, oh dear. Welcome back. ready. Get a bit of whiskey throttle. It's always a bit high, that wall, you can't really see over it. Bit of a shame really. You can't see that. Oh dear, that was me because I'm about fourth, aren't I? And I've no revs. Nope. You're not hearing me coming. Thank you. You got her. I missed it now. You waltz too high again. It's bloody high, that wall. It's better. There you go, there's Windermere. You got Windermere, an hill. You got Esthwaite, another hill. You got Coniston. That's nearly the north end. Bowness is down there. This is Ambleside area here. That's how far north we are. I've got myself some new, something else new. Can't beat buying gear, can you? It's all I've got to work for. Some new knee pads. I was looking. I had a pair of Liat knee braces, and they're brand new. I've never really worn them. Morning, thank you. Morning. And I kept thinking of wearing them, not wearing them. I have them, a set of these hard ones like that. I'll show you a picture of them. And thought to myself, I'm going to have to get they're a bit hard, you know what I mean, not very comfortable. And, well, they're alright, but you know, must be better out there. Then I saw a video on YouTube regarding knee pads or knee braces, and I watched it, and there's these knee pads been designed by, I can't remember his name, some top motocrosser who's now retired. I thought they look alright. I'll put a picture of them here. I'll be doing I'll do a bit of a review on them soon. I've worn them a bit. And I thought, oh, they look alright. They're about 89 quid, they're not cheap. Well, now it is these days, Christ. Looking McDonald's Egg McMuffin and thing is nearly 7 quid in it, meal, or something like that. Christ, some of them used to be like, what, $2.99? Anyway, yeah, they've got got knee shin protectors as well built into it, so not only can I wear them on this, I can wear them on my electric mountain bike as well because of the shin protection. So a bit of a dual purpose. So they're not all a waste of money, you know what I mean, just for one job and have to buy something else. But the good thing about it, if you look at, have a look at them. Well, I'll do this thing, and on the side of them, they have this protection as well, and it's quite a soft protection. But the good thing about it is that I just stood up on the bike now. They're a little bit bigger, and it helps you grip the side of the motorbike. And I found this out when I was watching a couple of videos, and then I saw an interview of the American guy, I can't remember his name neither, the motocrosser, always wears a bucket hat, tells you how to, I can't remember his name, anyway, he used to wear knee braces, and he did his ACL, because people think if you have a set of knee braces, you're not going to do your ACL in your knee. What he did is, and he found these knee pads, and he started, he says he wears them now instead of knee braces. So I thought, well, they're good for him. They're gonna, top lad like him, they're gonna be alright for a rookie like me. And they do help with being able to grip the side of the bike because of them nodules of soft stuff on it, which is good. So yeah, have a look at them. If I remember, I'll put a link down in the description box with them. But I will do a bit of a review once I've worn them for a bit. I think it's the third time out. Dirtbike store has them in stock. Next day delivery included, free. Get on it. Anyway, think about something else in a bit.
Like and subscribe.